What's up guys, I'm Jalen aka J Marie and welcome back to my channel.
I pay full price when I'm just in your crib. I know this ain't got from the way that it smell. I'm a big stepper, babe, I need a size 12. Why you tryna shit on me if you did it out of love? I'm a little numb in the street, gas up. Man, the stick got kicked, let me grip tight up. Little bit throw deep, let me grip tight up. We ain't buying new stick, we gon' dig a few up. They say grow up, so I all grew up. And the streets don't love nobody, but the street get hella love.
So guys, today I'm going to be talking about the American Influencer Beauty Bundle box. And this is it here. Isn't the packaging so pretty, guys? This is so pretty. And I am excited to try out the products, guys. So what is the American Influencer Beauty Bundle? So this is a bi-monthly beauty box where you receive 5 to 6 full-size products. It's $34. Each bundle features one beauty brand, hair, skin, and nails cosmetics. The current June and July bundles features 6 full-size products of Manna Kadar's Beauty's Cosmetic Collection, which values over $150, but you will receive it for $34 plus my 10% off discount code below. Now let's just go over the products that are featured in this box. The HD Press Perfecting Powder is creating a matte, silky, smooth finish while eliminating oil and shine. Long-wearing universal powder for all skin tones. Keeps makeup put all day long. And next we have the Lip Lock Priming Gloss Stain. And this gloss retails for $24. It is a built-in primer for long wearing and smooth application. Innovative hydrating formula combines with properties of lip gloss and stain, infused with nourishing vitamins A, E, and berry extract. The Hydration Happy Face Mist that actually retails for $19. Skin loving ingredients derived from seawater, hydrating formula that helps soothe and calm. Light formula provides hydration before and after makeup application. We have the Longwear Powder Split Pan Duo that retails for $24. This is a multi-purpose, time-saving compact. Can be used as a blush, primer, highlighter, and shadow. Features 2 textures, matte and pearlized. The Glide on Smooth for easy application and glowing finish. Next we have the Turn It Up Mascara, a rich, creamy, long-wearing mascara that won't dry out your lashes or cause flakes. The custom one reaches every part of the lashes, keeping them separated, defined for a perfect flutter and flare. So this Luxe Lash Serum is made with non-irritating blends of protein, peptide. Daily use of this serum will condition and strengthen lashes for a fuller, longer, and healthier looking set. So for every box they do sell, they do donate to the City of Hope, which is a research for cures of cancers. When I seen that, I thought that was a great thing to do. So guys, make sure you go check out American Influencer Beauty Bundle box at AIAawards.com, and I also have my 10% off coupon code for you guys to also check that out. That way you can get 10% off your first box. I am really loving the mascara. Guys, let me know which product was your favorite and which ones you're going on the website to check out. Yes, and that highlight was probably my #1. I'm loving that highlight. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. So guys, don't forget to subscribe as well, and make sure you turn on your post notification bell. That way you're notified whenever I do upload a video. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.